welcome back. Thanks again for supporting my YouTube channel. By far, this is one of my favorite means of car hacking. In previous video, I went over house hacking and how I personally did it to work in my favor and build some assets. Now I am going ahead and telling you guys how I do something pretty similar called car hacking. Today I'm going to be going over how I drive this exotic vehicle for free on a monthly basis. This is a great strategy for anyone who has a vehicle. Any vehicle will do for this car hacking lesson, so let's get into it. I've always wanted to have an exotic sports car, and of course, who wouldn't want one? The only problem is the cost of it. The maintenance and everything tends to add up to a large amount on a monthly basis, and for that reason alone, a lot of people are discouraged, especially if they're not making a large sum of income on a recurring basis. Today, I decided to go out of my way and share one of the ways that I drive this car without it being a financial burden on myself. When it comes to finding a platform to present your car on where people are actively looking for vehicles to rent, one of the most preferred ones that I use due to its insured policies with the people renting the vehicle is Turo. It's a pretty popular app. It comes with all the liability insurance, and with this particular car hack, you do have to understand that there are going to be strangers who are background checked and verified. However, they are still strangers who are going to be going around and driving your vehicle, and that is going to be at your discretion. Although in the event of a traumatic situation, Turo will step in to help if there are any collision or damages that are done to your vehicle while in the possession of the renter. I've seen this business model working for multiple people, and what they've done is pretty much just started with one vehicle, went ahead, rented it, realized that it's consistently being rented, whether it's just paying the perfect amount or it's giving you additional profits, and they just go ahead and repeat over and over again until you begin to build a small collection of vehicles. And once you have your fleet, you are obviously going to realize that the numbers and the funds coming in are going to be changed drastically due to the fact that you have more options, more variety, and pretty much more chances to get your vehicles rented, giving you profits at the end of the month. You are paying on your payment. It's not coming out of your pocket as an expense, and it works all in all for everybody. Turo does allow renters to rent your vehicle at any given time, especially if you have it listed as active. However, if you are driving a vehicle and listing a vehicle that is a little bit beyond the average MSRP, you'll tend to realize that there are a little bit more restrictions when it comes to someone coming along and renting your vehicle. The biggest ones is going to be the age requirement. For this specific vehicle, it's going to be 25 plus, and pretty much all exotic vehicles for the most part are going to have that 25 plus minimum age requirement, which is not necessarily a bad thing, considering that's probably the age that best suits people driving cars like this and above. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next video.